Before the toilet is used, the water pump must be on at the control panel for the flush to work. The flap at the bottom of the pan must be opened using the handle located under the seat by sliding it to the right. The toilet is flushed by gently pressing and holding in the blue button above the toilet. After all the water has drained into the cassette below, close the flap back up. A small light will appear next to the flush button when the toilet cassette is full and needs emptying. It's worth noting that the toilet seat rotates for extra legroom. You have 2 toilet rolls supplied. If you require more, please do not put any premium paper into the toilet as it will make your cassette hard to empty.